Okay, so we're going to look at the parking brake for the tractor. Basically what we have here is a supply from primary air and secondary coming up to a two-way check valve inside the control valve. The yellow button controls the tractor parking brakes. With it in, air is now allowed to be delivered to the SR1 or SR7 spring brake relay valve. When, as provided, we have air in our rear service tank, then the air coming from our push-pull will act inside the valve, and now it will deliver air to the spring brake chambers, the piggyback, compress the large spring in the back, and allow our brakes to be released. When we want to apply the brakes, we're going to pull the push-pull valve out. When we pull it out, we're going to remove the signal from the yellow line through here and also through our SR7 valve, and you'll see the brakes apply. When we apply the parking brake, we pull the push-pull valve out, and now we've parked the tractor. Push in, air is supplied to the springs, and the springs are compressed, pulling the parking brake off.